Pashu officers to me sound like somebody who's out on a detective tour, some kind of a mission. Do you think it's going to be a detective story? Aliza, look, even there's another girl called Aliza out here in our Pashu team. These are Pashu officers.
It is harmful to environment, ma'am.
Harmful.
So you all think that they wanted to destroy the plastic palace because it was too harmful?
Yes, ma'am. I will be the same.
Are you sure? Let's see what happens.
Okay, ma'am.
Once upon a time, a little girl called Bhumi was celebrating her birthday with friends, and how beautiful her home looked. Do you celebrate your birthday like this, children?
Yes, ma'am.
How many of you have had very nice birthday parties at home? Most of you have.
Yeah, ma'am.
So, children, is this how your home looks like when you celebrate your birthday? So I got the answer. Everybody said yes. Look at
And
this
so
picture,
all
children.
things go to the palace.
Do you think all these things that you see in the picture went off in the plastic palace?
Yes.
Let's see. I wonder, what is this? And then suddenly somebody comes. Moo! Where did our plastic palace go? Why do you think a cow suddenly comes up?
The
Don't know, ma'am.
cow changed.
What is the connection? Now, think of like detectives. What is the connection between the cow and all the birthday party decorations?
Ma'am, cow will eat
Garbage.
The cow you think was eating garbage?
Yes, yeah, ma'am.
Let me see if that was the case. All that junk that you just saw right now, it was all found inside the cow's stomach. You were right.
Yes,
Have
ma'am.
you ever seen the garbage dumps near your house? Next time when you go on the road, like once this corona gets fine, when you go on the road, just keep your eyes open. You will see garbage dumps in some places. And near the garbage dumps, you're going to see cows. And why do the cows go over there? They feel hungry and they have nothing to eat. So they think all that garbage is food for them. And they go over there and they start eating it, and it all comes in their stomach. Do you think all the things in the garbage is food? No. So it all goes in their stomach. Missy cow, your tummy looked so scary. What was wrong with it? Why was there so much dump inside it? I feel sick. And it's all because of the plastic palace that you have been building, Bhumi. Do you think Bhumi was building this plastic palace?
No. No,
Are
ma'am.
you sure?
Yes.
How many of you think that Bhumi was building a plastic palace? The cow was saying that Bhumi is building a plastic palace. You think the cow is right?
Yes.
Yes.
Why? How were they building one?
Because with all the decorations, there are a lot of plastic in it and the cow is eating.
Really? You remember the balloons that were there?
Yeah.
Do you remember the streamers that they had put in the birthday party that were made of plastic? Do you remember all the gift wrappings, everything? They were all plastic. They just took it off. Bhumi was
gift wrapping.
confused. Yes, Bhumi was confused. What plastic palace was Missy Cow talking about? But Missy Cow, how is that plastic palace making you so sick? A palace is supposed to be all glorious and beautiful, and here we are, it's making it so, your stomach so sick. On your birthday, Bhumi, you used a lot of plastics. The plastics are all piling up, and from the garbage dump, it is entering our tummy. Because you use it just once, and you throw it on the floor. You throw it in the dustbin. The balloon you blow, and where does the balloon go after it is used? Have you ever thought, children, like once you decorate your houses with balloons, what happens after the party is over? Do you use the balloons again ever? No, you won't do that. So what happened? The
It is so
plastics cause harm to our intestine. Yes?
Come to our intestine.
Yes. Do you know what intestines are? How many of you know what intestines are?
There are parts of our body.
Yes. And they are not part of any other part of the body but the stomach. So whatever you eat goes inside your stomach and then it goes inside your intestines. The plastic causes harm to our intestines and make us choke. Our hungry baby cows and their mothers and fathers sometimes die when they eat the plastic. Why? Because it gets stuck in their throat, it gets stuck in their stomach, it gets stuck in their intestines. So either the cows die or they choke to death. Let's see what happens next. And the plastic palace doesn't just harm us. Do you think it only harms the cows on land? What other land animals do we see? Let me take you to the plastic palace and show you how it's affecting the other animals on the land. Yes, Missy Cow, I want to see. Is it only affecting the cow or is it also affecting the other animals? You know, once when we had gone to a beach, I had seen this doggy. We didn't know there was a strange animal. It seemed like a plastic jar was there and the rest of the body was of a dog. We had never seen a creature like that before. It turned out to be that a dog was very hungry. He thought that there was water inside the jar and put his head inside it, and then we couldn't take out the jar at all. And because, thank God, there were 3-4 people, they had a little knife in their hand. And with that, they could cut out the plastic jar and the doggy was saved. Yes, this is very sad. I wish there had been no plastic palace. It is so dangerous and can harm other animals so much. Do you think Bhumi could do something about it? Do you think Bhumi can destroy the plastic palace, children?
No, it was too powerful.
Plastic palace is too powerful, that's true. But do you think she can do something very small? Even some that can, like little by little, also
Recycle
destroy
it.
the plastic.
She can
recycle.
She can recycle it.
She
Let's
can use
see.
alternative methods.
She can try alternative methods. That's good. I wonder what those alternative methods would be. Let's see what method she tries. Really? What? Listen to me. I am going to tell you something. I will give you a special power with which you can destroy the plastic palace. Let's see what special power the cow gets. Please tell me, what are they? You see this cow, children? The plastic palace seems to be destroying this cow. Your name is Bhumi. What is the meaning of Bhumi, children?
Land.
Correct. Bhumi means land. So, you have to take care of the plastic on the land. You can make sure that you follow the golden rules to bring down the plastic palace. Let's see what the golden rules are. Let's see if it matches any of what you said. You remember what Bhumi was doing before she reached the cow? She was celebrating her birthday party with lots of plastic. See how she can celebrate her birthday party instead.
Using paper.
She can use, instead of balloons, she can decorate her house with paper. How many of you know how to make paper crafts?
Yes, ma'am.
So next time it's your birthday party, you are going to pick up paper, draw it on it and make different decorations and click a picture and send it to us so that we can all do it like that.
Okay, ma'am.
Such pretty boxes that they have made out of cardboard. The streamers that were made out of plastic are now made out of paper. It's so easy, or made out of cloth. It's so easy, even you can do it. So you can use flower and paper decorations. You can reuse plastic bags and wrapping paper. So when you get gifts, do you get them wrapped in plastic paper? Sometimes you get them in very glossy, nice looking paper. So you can take them out, save it, and instead of throwing it, you can use it for some other purpose. Like you can make a book cover
and
out of it.
Is the plastic palace real?
The plastic palace. That's the question that I was having for the end of the show. Not now, Aliza. We are going to come to that question in the end. Team is good. So,
Bottle.
bottles. How many of your bottles are made of plastic?
Copper.
Copper.
Metal.
Metal. Good. Why am I saying don't use plastic? Why am I saying very good when you say copper, when you say metal, when you say steel? Because these don't harm the environment and you can keep using it. And the other thing is, when you put food inside a plastic, it can sometimes make the food a little bad. It can make it a little more toxic. So sometimes these chemicals from this plastic, it gets inside the food and you eat it. Meaning you're eating plastic. You're putting plastics in your body. Do you want to put plastic in your body? No. Because plastic are like plastic palace. They sometimes become small and they enter. They sometimes become big and
Germs will go to the food, ma'am.
they'll go to the food. Your immunity will become weak. You start getting sick very easily. But that doesn't happen with steel. That doesn't happen with copper. But plastic, it's like plastic can sweat. Sometimes when we feel hot, we start sweating, right? So plastic is also a material that can start sweating, and that whole sweating comes through chemicals inside your food, and then you eat it, and then it affects your intestines too. Anyway, let's continue with the story. Sujal took out and packed other things too that he was going to take to his school. He had to put the tiffin box and the water bottle in his school bag. As he washed his hands, he was magically transported to a new land. Then let's see what happens. Somebody appears in the sea beach next to Sujal. Who do you think appears now? Somebody from the sea will appear. Who is it?
A whale.
Bird.
Crab. A crab.
A crab, a whale. Anybody else?
A fish.
Okay.
A shark.
A shark.
No.
Who else is there on the sea?
Tortoise.
A fish.
Because
Hmm.
straws are harmful for tortoise.
It's harmful for all the sea creatures. So
Yeah,
who got the right answer? Which creature comes? I'm going to show you now.
Fish.
Get ready. Fish?
Fish.
Somebody who comes near Sujal.
Ma'am.
It's a turtle. Yes, Alia.
Turtle.
It's a tortoise. A dolphin also lives in the sea, and a dolphin also doesn't like plastic.
And whale. Octopus.
A
Whale.
whale and an octopus. Do you think they're all harmed by the plastic palace?
Yes, ma'am.
None of them like the plastic palace because it destroys their home and they hate it. Because they are scared. If the plastic palace comes to their home, they might die. And if they die, what will happen to their families? What will happen to the whale family? What will happen to the crab family? It was a little turtle.
They will see what happens to them.
Yes, we are going to see that. Welcome to my home, Sujal. Do you know why I called you here? No, Mr. Turtle. Tell me why. Children, why do you think Mr. Turtle called Sujal to his home so suddenly? Aliza, go for it. Take the mic closer.
Because the plastic palace was so strong and the sea creatures were hurting themselves.
Absolutely. That was the case. The plastic palace had first attacked the land. Now it had not left the sea also. It had now entered the water too. So, let's see what they're saying. Do you know that you're building a dangerous plastic palace that might harm me and my friends in the sea? And Sujal said, I don't understand that, Mr. Turtle. Look, you remember all the cutlery that Sujal was using? All the plates, all the straws, there were so many things out of plastic. And the plastic was such that you use it once and then you throw it. Sometimes when you drink something with a straw, you just drink it and you throw it. You don't keep it for use again. Have you seen those plastic spoons and straws, children?
Yes.
Plastic spoons and forks. Where do you use them?
Ma'am, I use it.
In birthday parties.
Birthday parties, yes. Alisa? So one by one you raise your hand and then I'll ask. Yeah.
Birthday parties.
Birthday parties, yes.
Birthday party.
Alia, would you like to have a chance? Where do you use plastic, all these cutlery and all?
In the picnic.
In the picnic, yes. Children, have you ever been to an ice cream vendor? Ice cream cart?
Ice cream cart.
You have, right? So sometimes you have the ice cream out of cup?
Ma'am, the cupcake ice cream.
Plastic spoon.
Plastic spoon they give to.
Plastic spoons.
Plastic spoon, yes.
Plastic fork. Plastic knives.
Yes, plastic knives too. When you cut your birthday cake, sometimes, have you seen? They give a plastic knife and spoon.
Plastic knives.
Yes.
Plastic. And then plastic handle.
Plastic handle
Plastic
too.
plate.
Plastic plates. So these are not plastics that you wash it and you keep it. You use it once and then you throw it away. So next time, supposing you see something made out of plastic, you use it, but don't throw it away. Keep it with you for some time and you can use it again. Let's see what happens here. But how did I? So that means we are all building plastic palaces in our homes, aren't we? Because we are all using plastic sometimes. Well, this is the plastic palace that you have built, which is destroying my home, my ocean. See, what are the things that have gone in the garbage? I'm sure you have all used this once. Is it equal to my weight? Do you think I weigh 8 million tons?
That's the size of a whale.
Do you think it's the size of a whale?
Weight.
How much is 8
That's
million
the weight
tons?
of a whale. A whale weighs 6 tons.
A 6 tons, but this is 8
6
million
tons.
tons.
6
8 million tons.
That's more.
6 million tons. You know how much 8 million tons actually is?
80 lakhs, ma'am.
80 lakhs. In Indian conversion, it is 80 lakhs. But it is equal to, you have seen one garbage truck of plastic? If you imagine, if you take one truck and you fill it with plastic fully, and if you do that for every 1 minute in a year, that will be equal to 8 million tons. How many minutes are there in a day, children?
24.
There are 24
24 hours.
7 hours.
And 24 into 60. That many minutes are there. That means that many trucks. And that many trucks waste go inside the ocean. What will happen? The plastic palace is all invading the waterland. Did you know that most of the litter in the sea is from the plastic waste that you use and throw? Look what is happening to these animals. This turtle has got entangled in a plastic net. And look, what are these seals doing?
Ding.
They're playing with something. Do you think they're playing hopscotch?
No.
Yeah.
Ding.
Are they-
Sometimes have got stuck in the net.
It has got stuck in a net. It has got stuck in no ordinary net. It's a plastic net they have got stuck in. And also, what do you think is going to happen to the seals? The seals have got one large plastic packet. What do you think will happen to them next? Let's see. Most of the sea creatures, seals, whales, dolphins, fish, crabs, become sick or die when they eat plastic. They may also lose their power to reproduce. What will happen, children, if they lose their power to reproduce?
In their extremes.
Right. Imagine if the turtle cannot give birth to more turtles. Imagine if the fishes cannot give birth to more fishes. That will be end of the species, children. End of it. You will see no more turtles around you. You will see no more penguins around you.
Instant.
Yes, Alia. Alia, would you like to say something?
Yes, ma'am. Excellent.
It will become extinct. So what? So you have heard of some animals that have become endangered? What is the meaning of endangered animals? Yes, Aliza.
Tiger. It hurt.
We saw, ma'am,
And hurt.
when it goes to under the sea, ma'am, then the fish and they all will eat, ma'am, that plastic, ma'am.
And they will die then.
Yeah, ma'am.
So before animals go extinct, sometimes the numbers start going down. When the numbers have gone radically down, that there are not many animals left, then that is called endangered. But
Ma'am,
not even one is left, then it becomes extinct.
ma'am, they
Yes.
don't know, ma'am, that is plastic, ma'am. So that they don't know, then they will eat, ma'am, then they can die, ma'am.
Yes, you know, once I'll tell you a story of a little turtle. So a turtle was once swimming in the ocean, and this turtle was very good friends with a jellyfish. So as he was swimming, he
Yeah,
saw
ma'am.
far that there was a jellyfish that was coming. And he thought, let me go nearby and say hello, let me go and shake hands. But when he went nearby and when he touched that jellyfish, he realized it was not a jellyfish. It was actually a plastic bag that looked like a jellyfish. And when he went nearby, the packet that looked like a jellyfish attacked it, the turtle got stuck in it. And then he couldn't come out. And then he couldn't breathe. And nobody could hear the turtle anymore because his voice, all the sound, everything was stuck inside the plastic bag. So, how can you replace? What can you do with the plastic food cutlery? Maybe we can use cardboard, we can use wooden cutlery, right?
Yes.
We can use reusable containers. Instead of plastic containers, we can use containers made out of steel. We can reduce, reuse and recycle old bags. So, Yeshua, can you tell me how can we reduce, reuse and recycle? What does that mean? What do you think it means to reduce, reuse and recycle?
You have to reduce whatever all the garbage you throw, and then you can either reuse it or recycle it.
Okay. Who can tell me what is the meaning of recycling?
You have to you can burn the garbage and you can do it, but you have not do it in your house or outside. You have to do it in a factory.
You are right. That's very true. So supposing sometimes do you go to houses and do you see in the balconies plastic bottles have been turned into pots?
In my neighbor's house, they were doing it today.
They were doing it today. Many people are doing it now, which is amazing, you know. So, yes.
I did it.
Have you ever used your plastic things again for some other purpose?
I did yesterday.
Who did yesterday?
I.
Very good. What did you do with it? Can you show it to us now?
Yes, miss.
Okay, can you bring it? Till then we will listen to the story and then we will see how she used her plastic again.
Yeah, ma'am.
If you have something in your house, you can show it. Okay, so next I'm going to show you. We have come to the third person now, the final Parshu officer. Her name is Alize and she is out here. Aliza, her name is almost like yours, isn't it? And she seems to be very happy because it's her first day of school. It was a little girl called Alize's first day in school. Aliza, do you remember your first day in school? Now,
Madam.
Aliza, yes,
Madam,
yes.
we did plants, ma'am. We decorated the plants, ma'am.
There are many things of plastic in your bag that you use just once and throw away. It is creating a plastic palace that is hurting our bird families.
we don't have to throw the things, the plastic ones here and there. We have to reuse it.
Absolutely right. You don't need to throw away plastic. You can keep using it again.
Because it harm the bird and the sea animals
Yes.
and the cows.
They harm the cows, they harm the dogs, they harm the pigs, they harm all the animals, they harm the goats, they are harming birds. No, the plastic palace is a big monster for all the animals and the humans too. So we have to keep the plastic palace as small as possible. We have to prevent the plastic palace from growing bigger and bigger. We have to keep it small and we have to keep it weak. We can keep it small if we reduce the amount of plastic we use. We can keep it small if we don't keep throwing away our plastic. We can keep it weak if we try to use other things. Like we can use steel containers. We can use steel sharpeners. I didn't know, Aliza said, I didn't know I was building one plastic palace. Everybody says there are many things in your bag that you just use once and you throw away when you could have used it so many more times. It is creating a plastic palace that is hurting our bird families. Look at these birds. See what has happened to them. Those children who live near the sea, have you seen these birds before? Those who live in Chennai, those who live in Visakhapatnam, those who have gone traveling.
Ma'am, I had seen in the movie, in the real life movie.
Which real life movie did you see it in, Aliza?
Born in China.
I shall see that. That movie seems very interesting to me. So you know what happened is, these birds sometimes, plastic bags, what happens to them? One bird has a plastic bag stuck on her body. The other one has a plastic ring. How do you think it reached the bird suddenly? Plastic bags and rings might get stuck around the wings and beaks of the birds. Children, just imagine you are a bird. Imagine you are a bird and you have a long beak. Supposing a ring gets inside your beak. Okay. Will you be able to open your beak?
No.
And when
No,
that
ma'am.
happens, children, what do you think will happen after that if you can't open your beak?
The birds can't breathe and they'll die.
Ma'am,
Not be able to breathe. What else will happen? So you can make sure that you follow the golden rules to bring down the plastic palace for the birds that fly in air. You can reduce, reuse and recycle your plastic waste. See how they have reused it? Don't these look very pretty? How many of you have made these plastic jars before?
ma'am, I don't know how to make this.
That's okay. You know, even I don't know. But I'll look at the picture and I will try to make. Next time when I see a plastic jar in my home, I will think, what should I do if I don't throw it away? What can I do with it? Can I turn it into something which is beautiful? Maybe next time I can make a gift for my mom with it. My mom can put her earrings inside it. My dad can put his watch inside it. So I can give a surprise for them. See, all they had to do was, you need a little bit of help from an adult in your family to take a cutter and cut it, and then you can paint it, find buttons, find these decorations and make it as beautiful as possible. Okay. Never litter the roads. These are the golden rules. Never litter the roads with plastic waste. Throw it in a separate bin for non-biodegradable waste. Buy items with less plastic packaging and repurpose old plastic bags and items to other useful items. What does the last thing mean? How many of you go to the shop to buy things? All of you go to the shop to buy things. Excellent. But tell me, when you have many things in your hand, where do you put those things?
In rubber jug.
Where do you put it?
In bags.
What kind of bag?
Cloth bags. Cloth bags.
But we use cloth bags.
Cloth bags. Cloth
Cloth
bags.
bags. Yes.
Then juice bags.
I think
We use plastic, but we use cloth bags.
cloth
Ma'am.
bags. Yeah.
Not even if you use.
All those who use cloth bags, 5 points for you. All those who take a bag from their homes, 5 points to you.
Ma'am.
Yes. Very good. Somebody has sent a clapping one. Very good. So, that is clapping for you all, right? Yes, Aliza, what do you do? You know, some of us, what we do? Some of us go to the store and keep asking for more and more plastic bags. भैया एक plastic bag और दे दो, एक और bag दे दो, bag नहीं लाए हम. So next time when you go out these days, you all wear a mask and go out, right?
Andre.
Auntie,
Yes.
Auntie, but now since the COVID cases here, everyone are like, I want to take a cloth bag. I don't want any plastic covers in the shop.
Everybody?
Everybody like tends to take their own cloth bag because they don't want the plastic bags they give in the
contaminate.
shop.
Right. So they don't want to have the risk of infection through the bags, right? So they are all carrying their
Yeah.
own. So from the COVID times, we are learning a lot of things. Don't you agree, Yeshua? We are learning that we can wear a mask on our face and we can also carry a cloth bag instead of by getting a packet. So the question is, how about at your doorstep, you can always keep a bag ready, a cloth
Yes,
bag ready, so that when you step out, you always remember to take it. So that when you go out, you're not like, oops, I forgot in the bag. What do I do now? You won't do it like this. Okay.
Yeah, ma'am.
And now we are going to answer Aliza's question. Let's see. So our 3 Pashu officers have promised to protect the animals in land, water and air. How can you become a Pashu officer? Children, do you think you can become a Pashu officer too? Do you think you can do something strong to bring the plastic palace down? But this time don't tell me. Write your answers on chat and send it to me. I will see the answers. I'll read out the answers. I will read out the answer and then you have to guess who it is. Send your answers and tell me how can you become a Pashu. What will you do if you were a Pashu officer? What would you have done? Send your answer to me on chat. I'm waiting for your answer. What would you have done if you were a Pashu officer? What thing? You saw there's so many golden rules. What is one golden rule that you will follow?
I will try my best. I will play. I will help animals.
I hope you're all sending your answers. Oh, I've got some answers. Let's see. So Twinkle says, these are the old answers, I think.
Stop using plastic.
Once you have sent me your answers, you can tell me you have sent it.
Stop using plastic bags.
Don't tell me now. You have to send your answers. Whoever's telling me now, please. Okay, so we have some answers with us. Let's see. Stephanie says, if I was a Pashu officer, I would reduce the use of plastic. That's very good. Stephanie? Sai and Lucky say that they are not going to use plastic bags at all. So that means Sai and Lucky can use other things, like they can use a cloth bag. They can keep using the same plastic bag. You can, Stephanie, how do you think you will reduce the use of plastic? Would you like to tell us, Stephanie? How can you reduce the use of plastic?
Ma'am, we will not take the plastic bottles, ma'am, and we will not take the plastic bags, ma'am.
Yes. That is true.
Yeah, ma'am.
Alia says, if I was the Pashu officer, I would stop myself from using plastic things and instead use alternative methods as earlier stated. So Alia, would you like to tell us what alternative method you would use? Yes, Alia.
Straw.
Yes. What would you use in
Metal.
place of a plastic straw? Supposing you didn't
Ba-
have a plastic straw, what would you do? Bamboo. Yeah.
Nuts.
Okay.
Tea bottles.
Bhavani.
Use bottles.
Use bottles. Yes.
And
Okay.
Copper bottles.
Copper bottles too, right? So now I feel all you children, Alia, Sanaya, Raki, Aliza, you're all ready to become Pashu officers now.